Good to go. Snake tool, check. Crease shingle, check. Does Geronimo do DJ work?
Hmm?
Does Geronimo do DJ stuff?
Yeah.
Yeah. Keon just texted me he's selling something on Facebook.
Yeah.
He's like, I wish I had the money to buy the set that Geronimo is selling. I guess
You selling it?
I guess it's a nice one, yeah.
Oh yeah. I'll talk to him about it because my church needs some. Well, depending on what he's selling. But
DJ equipment.
I don't want to get a mixer. I just want to get, the what do you call it? Amplifier or something like that.
Yeah. Ooh, it's so hot. It's sticking together right here. Alright, so now. Oh, why am I so zoomed in? I'm sorry. Got a new piece in. Not our best color match, but that'll be okay. Maybe the sun will give it a little tan. Yo, this is just definitely, wow. All right, so that one's buckling quite a bit, even if you lift it a little bit. Jeez, let me just see the angle. See that we are not lifting past that right there. I mean, 45 degrees would be like a bit higher up. So we're barely lifting. And you can definitely see. I mean, this row is pretty tight as it is. This one did it a little bit as well. Definitely on that middle one there. Right in here, sorry, there's the focus loss. Yeah, we got exposed fiberglass now, definitely on this top row. Kind of across the whole thing. Any material transfer? No, looks pretty good. Oh, well, actually it would be on the old one, wouldn't it? That's silly. Not really. Back. No, we were able to get it out clean, but going in, definitely got some creasing, some exposed fiberglass in these regions.